See a man, see a tree, eyes open, open, see. Roaring tiger you will see, Marble Mountain climb and see. Chanderi famous for sari, Vallabhgad for greenery. See the royal Mandu mansion, see jungle go into action. Look cheetah, look bison, look swamp deer, look peacock, take a closer look at Shiv Puri. See silver train go look. See holy men of Ujjain and some who are not yet men, the Buddha and his wisdom, the Indo-Royal kingdom. Check out the Gita and the Quran and then go and eat a pan. Khajuraho, eroticity, Bhimbetka has graffiti, prehistoric university. Don't shut your eyes and see, it will open your eyes, you'll see. Panchmari, the queen of hill, Bhopal capital full of thrill. Take a dip in Bhopal lake, so cold you will shake. Don't stop at the start of India, welcome to the heart of India.
Come prepared to Madhya Pradesh.